I'm Maggie Barnett. I hate myself. We've got a cool package today talking about regional carriers. I ordered from one of my favorite shoe companies, Adams Shoes. Fantastic. They have multiple sizes. Instead of just 7 and 7.5, they have 7 1/4, 7.5, and 7 3/4. They're coming out of Brooklyn, New York, and they used a regional carrier. I ordered on Monday. It is now Tuesday, and I have this package in my hands right now. Standard shoe box. I also like that they use this type of tape, environmentally friendly. Gorgeous box. I love the gray. The local carrier system and regional carrier system, you can do this for like $6 to $8. It can get you there in under 24 hours. Carrierdelivery.com. They did a great job. Never lost sight of the tracking. So Adams, good on you. Or the 3PL that they're using out of Brooklyn. Look at these. I'm so excited. Thank you, Adams. And thank you, Carrier Delivery. Using a regional and local carrier is so important.